Very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Students, yesterday we have done revision work of chapter number 3. We have done exercise 3A, 3B. We have done this revision. Now today I am going to start revision of word problems of worksheet 3.1, 3.2. So today we will do revision of word problems of chapter number 3. So students, now let's start today's class. Now the students word problems. Write down the heading word problems. So this is now the sum is the difference between two numbers is 690. So beta I will write the question. The difference between two numbers of 690. If the greater number is 1379, if the greater number is 1379, what is the smallest number? What is the smaller number? Now look at the blackboard, students. The sum is the difference between two numbers. There are any two numbers and the difference between the two numbers is 690. Means हमारे two numbers हैं, कोई भी उनका difference यानी when we subtract a smaller number from the bigger number, the answer is 690. Okay? So if the greater number is the 1379, अगर जो बड़ा नंबर है, जो ग्रेटर नंबर है वो 1379 है, सो व्हाट इज द स्मॉलर नंबर? अब यहाँ पर हमारा डिफरेंस भी दे रखा है बेटा, ग्रेटर नंबर भी दे रखा है. वी फाइंड आउट द स्मॉलर नंबर. सो व्हेन वी फाइंड आउट द स्मॉलर नंबर, सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल सबट्रैक्ट डिफरेंस फ्रॉम ग्रेटर नंबर. सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट ग्रेटर नंबर इज इक्वल टू greater number is 1379 and the difference is, what is the difference? Is equal to 690, 096. So subtract this number. Now 9 minus 0, 9, 7 minus 9, so 7 is smaller, so we take carry from 3. Here it is 2 and this is 17. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and 2 minus 6, 2 is also less than 6. So we take carry from this one. Here it is 0 and this is 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So the smaller number is equal to in question he is asking what is the smaller number. So the smaller number is equal to 689. When we add this smaller number and difference, the answer is the greatest. Okay beta? So this is the, when we subtract difference from greater number, we will get a smaller number. So students, write down question number 1. Now students, write down question number 2. A builder bought 4,680 bricks. There is a builder and he bought how many bricks? Bricks means ईंटें. जो builders जो मकान बनवाते हैं, houses बनवाते हैं, तो house किससे बनते हैं? Houses are made by bricks. So builder ने कितनी bricks bricks got करी 4680. Later उसके बाद में he bought more 3000. He bought 3329 bricks more. बाद में उसने इतनी और खरीदी, और ज्यादा खरीदी. How many bricks did he buy all together? अब टोटल मिलाकर उसने कितनी bricks खरीदी? First he bought 4680 bricks. Later he bought 3329 bricks more. So how many bricks did he buy all together? So a builder bought 4680 bricks. Bricks bought by builder. How many bricks bought by builder? 4680. Later he bought, उसके बाद में फिर उसने कितनी खरीदी है बेटे, कितनी बॉट की है? Later he bought 3229. 3229. यहाँ पर आप ब्रिक्स भी लेटर ही बॉट ब्रिक्स. बाद में और कितनी ब्रिक्स ली उसने? 3229. So add this 0 plus 9 9, 8 plus 2 10. 10 का बेटे 0 now. 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1 carry 7. 7 plus 2 9 and 4 plus 3 7. So how many bricks did he buy all together? Total bricks. These are the total bricks is equal to 7909. Write down students question number 2. Now students write down here 3229. 3229. Now students write down question number 3. Question number 3 is a number exceeds 4291 by 325. So what is the number? So beta exceeds means बढ़ाना. So what is asking a number exceeds 4291 by 325. यानी 4291 में जो है 325 जो है नंबर उसको बढ़ा दिया जाए, उसको उसमें मोर कर दिया जाए, प्लस कर दिया जाए, तो व्हाट इज द नंबर? तो हमें कौन सा नंबर मिलेगा? व्हाट नंबर वी विल गेट? अ नंबर एक्सीड 4291 बाई 325. यानी 325 में अगर हम 4291 को एक्सीड कर देंगे, आगे बढ़ा देंगे, सो व्हाट इज द नंबर? सो वी विल ओनली सिंपल एडिशन. We will do simple addition 4291 plus 325. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 here and 1 carry. So 2 plus 1 carry 3. 3 plus 3 6 and this 4 is as it is. So what is the number? 4616. So students write down. Now students, question number 4 is what should be added to 884 to get 1200? So what should be added? क्या ऐड करना चाहिए किसमें? 884 में to get 1200. यानी 1200 को लाने के लिए हम 884 में क्या ऐड करेंगे? So first we subtract 884 from 1200. So 0 is less than 4, so we take carry. This is 10, and if this is 10, then we take carry from here, so it is 9, and when from here, so it is 1. Okay, first we make the sum. पहले हम sum को बनाएंगे, because main carry जो है बेटे we will take carry from this number. So this is 10. If we take one carry here, so this is 9, and if we take carry 1 here, suppose this is 10, so this is 1. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, and 1 minus 8, 1 is also less than 8. So take this 1 carry, here it is only 0, 11 minus 8 is equal to 2. Okay, so our answer is 316. Now, this answer 316 and 884, add this number. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 8, 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So, what should be added to 884? What should be added? 316 should be added to 884 to get 1200. यानी हमको 884 में क्या ऐड करना चाहिए? 316 को 884 में ऐड करेंगे, so we will get the answer 12. So students, write down the answer. What means 316 should be added. Write down as it is question. Only you will write 316 at the place of what? 316 should be added to 884 to get 1200. First we subtract 884 from 1200. This number we will get the number 316. Then 316 plus 884. Answer is 1200. So what should be added? 316 should be added to 884. Add कर दिया. Then we get the answer and we get 1000. So students, write down. So students, today we have done 4 word problems of chapter number 3 in revision work. So your homework is do practice of word problems. इन्हीं word problems की ही आपको practice करनी है. You have to do practice in your practice copy. Tomorrow we will do again word problems. Okay, beta? So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.